Hey TechKnowStuds, and when I say studs, I mean both students and you are awesome. Thanks for joining me in these videos. In this module, we're gonna get into tunneling and VPNs. There are times when we have connectivity between our networks. However, we might not have control over all of the equipment in between those two networks. In that case, certain traffic may not be able to get from one location to another, or that traffic needs to be encrypted. That is, we need to secure that traffic. In those scenarios, we can use tunneling and VPNs in order to encrypt the traffic, or at least get that traffic from one location to the other. So in this module, let's get into tunneling and VPNs. We're gonna kick this module off by talking about tunnels, what they are and where we would use tunnels. Then we'll get into a specific type of tunnel called a GRE tunnel. We'll get into MPLS tunnels and what those look like. We'll talk about IP version 6 over IP version 4, which is a type of tunnel. We'll talk about IPsec, which is a way that we can encrypt some of our tunnels. Then we'll get into VPNs and how we set up virtual private networks. We'll talk about what a DM VPN is and some of the advantages over a regular VPN. And then we'll wrap things up talking about MFA and Duo.